How to set up a destination. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up a new destination to edit. Start with the Add New Destination button. Let's say we want to add a destination called Salento. If the destination we want to create is not predefined yet, we will need to contact support via our available chat. We will write that we would like to create a new destination named Salento. After sending the request, let's wait for the Content Management System support team to set up this destination for us and notify us by chat or email. If the destination already exists, for example Cali, we start by typing its name, it should appear, and simply select the destination. The square on map we see on the right is a bounding box, that is the set border for the destination, and you can create within it. Choose the primary desired language and add the destination by clicking once again on Add New Destination. This process will take just a few moments. Once completed, you can check the destinations list, where you will see all of your added destinations with each language version as a separate item.